So just nerding out a little bit. Thinking about the moon landing and all that craziness. And not even get into thoughts on that, but just during that whole activity, I would think that they would in the United States would send if we were all to launch things into space. I think it'd be a lot cheaper, more efficient to figure out if things worked if we actually sent a vehicle of sorts, a remote control vehicle of sorts, that was in navigation with Earth and directed and whatnot. Even though that there is a couple second delay just in the information due to the distance, but before we sent people, because that's the thing, like so much money was spent or is spent trying to just look at airplanes, fighter pilots and stuff. They are the ejection seat, pressurized, vessel, or cockpit, means go to the bathroom. There's extra weight on board, and certain limitations that are imposed just due to the human factor. And so to simulate that with a small scale experiment would be ideal. And where I'm going with this is, what if there's technology that's developed or that's been implemented in which, okay, people will not even see this coming because we're going to launch things to the moon and then slingshot it back towards Earth. And due to the rotation, and that's the thing is that I make it for, that's a real indirect hit, indirect fire. This is the fourth dimension of warfare, is what I'm really trying to introduce y'all to. It's crazy because that's the thing is that we're sending out, either rods of God, which are basically like solid metal telephone poles coming down from the heavens at Mach 10, at least. Nikes, I should say like at 10, 20, 30,000 miles an hour. Same lethality as a nuclear bomb, just without the nuclear fallout. There's so it can be like this, or still in that direction because the Earth's gravity and orbit, and maybe there's boosters on them or something like that to navigate them, or take everybody safe, be gonna stay strong.